Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox quality bugs. To begin, launch Roblox and join any game. Once inside, locate the in-game settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. From there, you'll want to find the graphics quality section. This is where we'll make our first crucial adjustment to resolve those pesky visual glitches and improve your gameplay experience. We'll start with the most straightforward solution. Now, let's dive deeper into optimizing your graphics. Within the graphics settings, ensure your graphics mode is set to manual rather than automatic. This gives you full control. Then, gradually lower the graphics quality slider. Start by moving it down by 1 or 2 notches. If the bug persists, try reducing it further, perhaps to level 1 or 2, especially if you're on an older computer. This step is often the most effective way to eliminate visual issues. Beyond in-game settings, outdated drivers can significantly impact performance. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date by visiting your manufacturer's website. Also, confirm your operating system has all the latest updates installed. It's also wise to check if your computer meets Roblox's minimum system requirements. Finally, close any unnecessary background applications that might be consuming valuable system resources, freeing up power for your game. If the quality bug stubbornly remains, a complete reinstallation of Roblox might be necessary. First, uninstall the game, then clear any remaining cache files from your system. After that, download and reinstall Roblox from the official website. If even this doesn't resolve the problem, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support. Provide them with as much detail as possible about the bug and your system specifications for the quickest resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.